Hey, I'm Andy with Big Agnes, and we're going to talk about the new Shovelhead and Luna jackets. Our SL Down jackets are a fan favorite across our hometown of Steamboat Springs, Colorado. Designed with recycled materials, our signature Big Agnes jacket is better than ever. The regular fit gives you room to move freely and layer underneath. New colors mean you're sure to be a standout, but for lovers of the classics, we've got you covered with traditional black. Regular fit with body-mapped vertical and horizontal quilting ensures down stays close to the body, allowing for excellent thermal efficiency while preventing down from shifting. Ample pockets for max stowage, zip hand warmer pockets, large interior mesh drop-in pockets for extra stash space. The chest pocket keeps electronics insulated from the cold and doubles as a stuff sack for the jacket. Covert adjustable draw cords found on the hood and hem keeps the elements out while sealing in body heat. Hood visor adds weatherproofing and increased visibility on powder days. Features YKK Vislon zippers with textured zipper pulls for ease of use with gloves. Stealth, no draft thumb holes allow for more insulated coverage while eliminating the gap between sleeve and glove. And of course, we keep it cozy with 600 Fill Power Downtek insulation. These jackets continue to be made with bluesign approved shell fabrics and insulation. All fabrics are GRS certified 100% recycled. Keeping with our green commitment, our entire apparel line now features a completely PFC-free water-resistant finish. Stash it in your ski touring pack or your cold winter camping gear. This jacket's going to be part of your fall and winter wardrobe for a long time to come.